Deep in the state of Karnataka lies the majestic Jog, or Joga, Falls, also known as the second steepest waterfall in all of India. At a towering 830 feet, 253 meters, the falls offer commanding views of the downrush over an impressively lush Indian landscape. Tucked away on New Zealand's South Island is the breathtaking Sutherland Falls. Though the jury's still out on if Sutherland Falls is New Zealand's tallest, at a stately 1,904 feet, 580 meters, it's surely impressive enough to wow even the hardest to please. Somewhere on the Mytolfusa River rushes Gullfoss Falls, Iceland's most iconic waterfall and a true indication of the natural, ice-tone beauty to be found throughout the country. Kaieteur Falls, nestled deep in the Amazon, is considered to be one of the many priceless treasures of the rainforest, and of South America in general. When you think waterfalls, you might not immediately picture Eastern Europe. But to pass up Plitvice Falls in Croatia would be a true rookie mistake. Plitvice Falls, which is part of Plitvice Lakes National Park, the largest national park in Croatia, clocks in at 255 feet, 77 meters, making it a sight to see. Few have experienced the impressive beauty of California's Yosemite National Park and not emerged in awe. And fewer still have noted the grace and the grandeur of Yosemite's truly towering falls. They clock in at a gasping 2,425 feet or 740 meters, and not returned home singing their praises. Yosemite Falls is, plainly put, absolutely massive. When is a waterfall also a visit to two countries for the price of one? When that waterfall is the mighty Niagara, which famously straddles the border of the US, via New York State, and Ontario, Canada. At a truly impressive 3,212 feet, 979 meters, Angel Falls is world's highest singular waterfall, not to mention the tallest waterfall on our list. For visitors to Venezuela, it's an absolutely must-see attraction. Like with Niagara Falls, Iguazu Falls is a two-country one-landmark special, as it straddles the border of Argentina and Brazil. But if 2 stamps in your passport aren't enough of a reason, these falls are also considered the largest waterfall system in the world. These falls are iconic, and many visitors to Africa take a special journey to Zambia or Zimbabwe just to take in views described as once in a lifetime by many. Known as a popular touristic site since the turn of the last century.